Hello world, today I will show you a text adventure game in Python. Adventure games are one of the easiest games to program, as they're mostly if-else statements, while loops, and promptings for input. Here's a demonstration of calling for user input. And the results of each statement are based on what the player types in. For example, if the player types in forward, they will be sent to another branch or route in the game and can get two possible endings from there. Or they decide to go past the cave and go to a different section of the game. One big thing you want to make sure to do is this: make each result case insensitive, meaning it doesn't matter if the user types it in lowercase or uppercase, because here it will automatically transfer whatever the user typed in into uppercase and will check if the letters match. This, for example. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you have an invalid text kind of thing that lets the user know they typed in something wrong. So now it will go back to the top of the while loop. If you don't set this as a while loop, the invalid text prompt will end the game. And here's the invalid text right here. Now to run it. So right here, you want to make sure that the options are capitalized as the player reads. So they can know which word prompts a result. For example, if you don't put in a correct response, it'll say it doesn't understand and then go back to the original prompt. So say you went right, or a good way to demonstrate how it's case insensitive, use both cases to help discover if it's really working. And it is working. So now the options are wait or drive. This is a video game, so we can steal a car if we want, because it is a video game. And here we've gotten one of the endings as indicated down here, and indicated by the fact that it brings us to the beginning. Alright, and that should be it. Thank you for watching.